Princess Zelda, it fills me with great sorrow to report that Link, while on his journey to save the 7 descendants of the sages, has been killed.
Oh, my brave warrior! He must have died a most honorable death. What foul monster could have done this? Could it have been Trinex, the giant three-headed beast that lurks within Turtle Rock?
It's quite possible.
Or Vitreous, the giant eyeball surrounded by smaller but still relatively giant eyeballs?
Also a possibility, yes.
No matter what the cause, I'm sure my beautiful Link died honorably by battling evil as a purveyor of all things good.
Ha! Stupid little chicken. Can't even...
Oh, shh.
And to his sister Errol, Link leaves his quesadilla maker.